you guys, today I'm going to show you on Coco's Kitchen how to make cheesy, spicy barbecue turkey stuffed zucchini boats. So keep on watching. So the first thing you have to do is cut your zucchini. Cut the tip off and now cut your zucchini down the middle. Figure out where you want to cut it and just slice it as such. Time to scoop out all the seeds from the zucchini. Grab a spoon and scoop out the seeds little by little. Once all the seeds are gone, you're done scooping. And you don't want to scoop out all the zucchini in the middle because you don't want your meat, once you start feeling it, to fall out of the zucchini while it's cooking in the oven. And just watch me do it again, just in case you missed something the first time. All of my boats are scooped out. I line my pan with foil so I can avoid cleaning because I don't want to, and spray your foil with oil to avoid sticking. Now let's cook the ground turkey. I'm using a pound of ground turkey and put it in an oil pan. You can use the oil of your choice, it doesn't really matter. And also, I'm using ground turkey, but you can use any meat. Next, let's add our seasonings. I don't have a proper measurement of how much I'm putting of each. It's based off of how much I like the seasoning. I love garlic, so I use a little bit more. And after you add in the seasonings, stir. And I also add in chopped garlic. I love garlic, as you can see, so I am being very generous with my garlic. And after you add all of your garlic, you stir as well. Time to add in the spice. I have dry chili peppers. I'm breaking them apart so I can have both the chili pepper and the seeds into my mix. If you do not like spice, you do not have to add this step in. It's your choice. And then after all of that is added in, you just stir. And as you can tell, I actually drained out some of the oils that my meat accumulated. Now let's add the barbecue sauce. Add in enough so you can cover all of your meat. You can use barbecue sauce of your choice. I am using the hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce so I can have that sweet and spicy flavor. And as you are stirring, you can tell if you need to add more barbecue sauce or not. And at this point, I cut off the stove. And now all of my food and everything is cooked. Time to fill up my boats. Time to fill up my boats. I have a pound of meat, so I have to make sure I have enough to spread them out amongst all of my boats. I have a separate pan as well of zucchini boats, so I have to make sure I have enough. And as you're scooping, preheat your oven for 400 degrees. Now it's time to add in your cheese. If you love cheese, add more. If you want a little bit, add a little bit. Or if you do not want cheese at all, none. Cover with foil, and after your oven is done preheating, cook for about 35 to 45 minutes until your cheese has melted and your zucchini is tender. And there you go, your cheesy, spicy barbecue turkey stuffed zucchini boats. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, you guys.